Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In today's episode, I'm going to be showing you how to change your username on Oculus or MetaQuest application. So in order to do that, watch the video till the end. Launch open MetaQuest or the Oculus application from your app drawer and make sure to log into your account. From the main homepage of Oculus, tap on the menu icon located at the bottom right. Now, select your username located at the top of the screen. This will then open up your profile page where you will need to tap on the three dots right next to create avatar. Now tap on edit profile. Right where it says username, you can easily change your username once every 6 months. So go ahead and erase your current username. Type in the new username you'd like to update for your account. After you are done, tap on save. Similarly, you can also change your display name by typing in a new name in the name tab and tapping on save. So that is how you will be able to change your username on Oculus application. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will see you again in the next episode. Goodbye till then.